how to use RCS messaging on Android, RCS message settings, or how to off RCS on Android. Now, RCS is a new type of chat on every messaging app on Android that will give you the ability to talk to someone online from the messaging app without using your balance. Now, in the case of my Samsung messaging app, I can simply open my Samsung messaging app. Now, some of you might have Google Messages, some of you might have Xiaomi Messages app, some of you might have OnePlus, but most of the common ones are Samsung or Google Messages. So in the case of my Samsung, if I tap on the three dots option and then I simply navigate to settings here, I can go to the chat settings from the very top, and right here you can see chat features. It isn't labeled as RCS, but this is actually just the RCS chat in the case of Samsung device. For Google Messages users, you will find an option called RCS Chat. So you want to make sure to just turn on that toggle. It might take some couple of time to load the RCS features, but after that you should be able to chat with someone over Wi-Fi without mobile. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.